So we're in Ximending, and this is actually a pretty busy spot. I was actually here earlier, so this is kind of the separate video just to kind of capture all the different stuff happening everywhere. And we're just gonna start at the station down there, and we're just gonna walk all the way down and come all the way to this area right here and show you that. And we're gonna go all the way almost to the end of that one too. So it's basically one of the main streets. So hope you like it. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so we're in Ximending and the Ximen station. So earlier today I was in this area and I was here around 12, and now I'm here in the evening. Totally different experience. So it's people everywhere. I think it's also it's a Thursday, but it's also I think my understanding is the holidays are coming up, the Chinese New Year, so maybe a lot of people are not working tomorrow, possibly, or it's just kind of typical for any evening that people aren't. There's H&M right there. We're just gonna walk through here. Wow, it's like so many more people than earlier. So we're just gonna capture and see if we can. A lot of people are coming out. Yeah, it's also Chinese New Year too. So here we are in Taipei and Ximending. We're walking kind of on one of the main pedestrian streets. Welcome to Ximen. So I did have some videos earlier in this area, but it was in the daytime, and it's totally different at nighttime, which makes sense. It should be totally different. And yeah, I think just so you know, sometimes people view only this one of my channel. So basically, I usually film streets. So usually I film streets and I label them, just to kind of give a feel. So I think this one will probably do the same. So actually, let me just kind of give a little 360 here. That's kind of interesting. Up there, there's like some rabbit. It's also the year of the rabbit, so all these kind of rabbit seed stuff is kind of interesting. Oh, okay. So we got this as well. Oh, nice. So we don't know what that was all about, but it looks like something for a school or something like that. So we also have these other pedestrian streets that we could go different directions, but I'm going to be going this way. And since I filmed this street earlier, it's kind of good that I film this again. Yeah, there's a lot of people out tonight.
ABC 码HanZhong GS 旗舰店，现在全馆商品任选免费下。
Yeah, it's kind of cool though. Yeah, the energy feels amazing. I've spent a lot of time in Japan and Korea. I used to live in both of them. I was in Korea off and on for about 12 years. Got these interesting alleys all the way down that way. And I lived in Japan for about 5.5 years as well. Really like those areas a lot, and Taiwan kind of has kind of a similar vibe to it. So the side streets, I think I filmed these side streets earlier, and it's kind of interesting to see everything now. Uma Munster. Okay. Pretty cool area. I don't know if that's music that could affect my channel or not. I'm hoping it's live music, but if it's not, then if I start speaking a lot, it's because that will demonetize the channel. I think it kind of reminds me a lot of Korea. There's a lot of music in the shopping areas. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going straight. I'm gonna try to speak a little bit over that music. And we're right in the heart of Ximending. And now I think I see what this is. They're doing performances here. Okay, there we go. So they're kind of setting things up a little bit. So we're kind of coming out to the end here. This is one of the main streets. Actually, I was in this area last night, but I didn't come in until like 10 and it was kind of quiet. It wasn't like this at all. But right now it's a lot earlier. So that's kind of all the action up there. And over there you can see that it basically starts to fade out a little bit, so I don't know if it's interesting or not to go to the main street. I think it's probably not so interesting, so what I'm going to do is turn back around. Okay. I guess we'll probably maybe just end the video right here. Or we'll end it up at this thing so we can kind of get a view of this. Okay. The music might affect video, but I think I've already realized that it's useless to fight against that. I'll just put it up anyways. Okay, so we're just gonna end it right there. Okay, that was another street of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go. Toma cuidado la